Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Jemiah. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do a 3-strand twist out. I've been feeling like I've been neglecting my hair on YouTube and just on my other platforms. I've just been doing makeup content like non-stop. I've never done a 3-strand twist out before, so I'm attempting one today. If you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first, and let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to be taking down my hair. So today I'm going to be attempting to do a 3-strand twist out. This is not a tutorial. I have been watching tutorials, as in tutorials, just one tutorial, which is Janae Mason's tutorial. And I will link it in my description box just so you guys can go see that. But I had posted on Instagram basically asking you guys what kind of hairstyles you guys want to see from me, because I'm tired of doing the same thing. For the past week, I've been wearing my hair in like a top knot. I just wanted to do something different this time. And I've never done a 3-strand twist out. I always do 2-strand twist out or just a regular twist out. So we're gonna see how this goes. Today I'm gonna be using Hawaiian Silky's products. I'm going to be using the Curl Milk and the curling buttercream. Yes, I'm still a brand ambassador for them. If you guys aren't new to my channel, help a girl out with those commissions by buying these products. Use my code down below. Starting off with spurts in my hair because I had my hair in my microfiber towel for a while. First, I'm starting off with using this leave-in conditioner. It is the Curl Milk leave-in by Hawaiian Silky. And I'm just gonna take like 2 pumps. I'm gonna part off my hair. I'm just gonna be taking the curling buttercream. Sorry, the packaging is kind of like reflecting on the camera. This is a really nice consistency. And so I'm just gonna put this on this section. Make sure I got my ends. And then just like work my way up. So I technically have never done a 3-strand twist out. We're gonna see how this goes today, if it's a fail or a pass. I watched Janae Mason's video and her hair always comes out great, but you know, we have 2 different types of hair. So we shall see how this works on my hair. And then at that, I haven't filmed like a hair video in a while. I don't think I have filmed a hair video in 2020, so hey girl, new video. So I decided to film this because first I want to document it to see, you know, if I do good, I can know what to do for next time, and if I do bad, I can learn from my mistakes. Okay, so how do I normally twist? I forgot. I'm just going to take the first twist, which is the one that I took behind, and I'm just going to take this piece, grab the other piece, and go around the 2. That's how Janae Mason basically explained it. This is very like, okay, you have to focus. Oh girl. And then I'm just gonna like regular twist all the way down. I think that's what she did anyway, but that's what we're gonna do. And then just finger coil like normal. And I completed the first one. First thoughts. My hands are cramping. I made a post the other day on my Instagram, and I was like, what kind of hair content do you guys want to see from me? Even though I already had in mind of like what type of content I want to create, but I just want to see your preference and like your point of view of what kind of hair content you guys want to see from me, because I've been putting out more makeup content than hair content. Just comment down below what kind of hair content you guys want to see from me in 2020. I know I want to do different things to my hair. I don't know, I just been thinking about a lot of things and like what kind of content I want to be creating for you guys, because this year I'm looking for growth, like within myself and within this channel and like my Instagram, and just basically being an influencer. I want to keep on inspiring you guys. So yeah, okay, let me focus. basically smoothing it down a little. But honestly, this is really not that bad besides your hands cramping up. But like once you get the hang of it, it's not really that hard at all to just do. So back to what I was saying on growth and growing as an influencer. But yeah, that's just basically my goal for 2020. I feel like I am growing and I am starting to get out there a little bit more, but I just want to be just covering everything, not just specifically makeup and not just specifically hair. I just want to cover both things, and I don't know, lately I just been kind of off with the hair. I want to start balancing everything out how I used to with hair and makeup, because that's my niche, that's what I'm into, that's what I have a passion for. I want to just make sure every section that I am, I guess, getting known for is covered, not just like one specific thing. But I honestly play with makeup all the time and I rarely do my hair. Hair just takes longer to do these days. It's not that I don't have time for it, I have time, but it's like I just become so tired, and I don't know, especially like now with like new semester. I just feel like this semester of college is just like draining, you know, like it's very draining, and I'm always tired. I always just want to take a nap, but I know I have to make content too. So that's my goal for this year, is just to balance everything out and to make sure that I'm covering a lot more of just both sides of what I have a passion for, because even though I'm a beauty influencer and a natural hair influencer, I just want to make sure that I'm covering everything and showing each thing some love. I'm just going to be putting out more content for you guys because I want to grow, and the only way to grow is consistency. So I'm just going to do the middle section at a faster pace, and I'm going to come back to you guys to do the top. So I got a little carried away and I had already started on the last section, but I'm just gonna do sections because I want to keep it smaller for the front, just so they can be extra defined and hopefully last longer. Pretty satisfied with how they're looking. They look pretty good for them to be my first time. And like once you do it 2 or 3 times, you start to get the hang of it, so it's not really that difficult. It's not really that hard, it's not that difficult. It's just like you just twist over the other 2 little strands that you have, and I just gotta straighten it out first. And then I just start like right at the root. Finally, on the last section, I feel like this took forever though, probably because it's my first time. Alright, so I'm finished with twisting my hair. For my first time, it was really time consuming. My hand was cramping up for a little bit, girl. Ooh, it's pretty good. I'm gonna do a 360 for you guys just so you guys can see how my hair looks. I'm just gonna let this dry. I'm gonna chill for a while, a few hours, and then put my bonnet on, go to sleep, all that. And then I'll come back to you guys in the morning to show you guys how my hair looks. So this is what my hair is looking like when I just took my hair down. All I did was just use this as like an oil, this little Cream of Nature anti-humidity gloss and shine. And then I just took my hair down in a faster pace because I'm running late for class. But I will see you guys after class, just show you guys how my hair looks with me walking outside. But this is what my hair is looking like so far. I like my hair. It came out better than I have ever done a twist out, and this is just a 3-strand twist out, so I guess I have to start doing these more. But I'll come back to you guys later because I'm running late. So yeah, see you guys a few hours later, and this is what my hair is looking like with me walking outside to class and all that good stuff. My hair has gotten a little bit frizzier. It's gotten a little bit more volume since what I showed you guys earlier, but that's normal for my hair, especially in Georgia weather. It's going to be frizzy. So honestly, my overall thoughts of me doing a 3-strand twist out, I would definitely do this again because it was easy to just catch on to, and my hair came out better than what it would with a regular twist out, so I'm very much satisfied. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of hairstyles you guys want to see next from me. And this isn't like a sponsored type of video. I just honestly really love these products. But if you guys want to use my code down below to purchase these products, then make sure you guys hit that link down in my description box, and you can get some money off of your order by using my code Jemiah15. If you guys have stayed all the way to the end and you have not subscribed already, then please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support you guys continue to show me, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.